In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete awaiting payment on Xero. Before we start, a quick note on what awaiting payment means. In Xero, invoices in this state have been approved but not yet paid. If one was created by mistake or needs to be removed from your pipeline, the correct action is to void it. Voiding cancels the invoice and removes it from your receivables while still keeping an audit trail for compliance. Begin by signing into your Xero account and landing on the dashboard. From the main navigation, open the accounting menu at the top. In that drop-down, choose Sales to access your sales-related activity. Once you're in Sales, move into the Invoices area. This is where you can view all invoice statuses and narrow in on the ones that need attention. Next, find the Awaiting Payment section. You'll often see a small number next to it. That's simply how many invoices are currently waiting to be paid. Click into Awaiting Payment to load that list. If you have a lot of records, use the search bar or sort by contact, due date, or amount to quickly pinpoint the invoice you want to remove. It's a good idea to open the invoice you intend to void and double-check the details, contact, dates, and line items so you're certain you're acting on the right document. With the invoice open, look for the three dots menu, sometimes labeled More, usually near the top right of the invoice screen. Click that menu and choose Void. Xero will ask you to confirm. When you confirm, the invoice will be voided immediately. This takes it out of the awaiting payment list and prevents it from impacting your receivables going forward. A few helpful things to know here. Voiding is different from deleting. Deleting removes a draft, while voiding cancels an approved invoice and keeps a record for your audit trail. Once voided, the invoice can't be edited or reused, but you can still view it for reference. If you created the invoice in error and need a corrected version, you can create a new one after voiding. If the void option isn't available, it may be because a payment or credit has already been applied. In those cases, resolve that first, then return to void the invoice. Repeat the same process for any other invoices you want to remove from awaiting payment. Navigate to Sales, open Invoices, filter to Awaiting Payment, select the invoice, and use the three dots menu to void it. And that's it. You've cleaned up your receivables and kept your records accurate and audit ready.